G'day, we are looking here at the full-size Ensuite of the Kimberley Kruiser. Now, our Kimberley Kruiser comes in three sizes: an E-Class with an electric bed, an S-Class full-size, or a T-Class, and that's a tandem axle. All the Kruisers are built like an airplane. The front nose cone fiberglass, and this rear tail cone is fiberglass. Today, we're talking about the full-size Ensuite in the Kimberley Kruiser. Our Kimberley Kruiser Ensuite does have a partition door here with a bungee at the top and a pin at the bottom. If your door doesn't have the pin at the bottom, then we here at the workshop can put one in for added security on the rough roads. The second thing to secure in the Ensuite is the shower screen. Now, this shower screen is glass. Now, it is quite heavy and it's got rollers top and bottom. Now, my bottom rollers are spring-loaded, so their tension is set by these screws here at the top. Now, this heavy screen door is beautiful. It makes it feel like a big ensuite, big shower, great space, but we have to secure it when we travel. It has a bungee cord that's going to go on the handle and secure it back against its little rubber stoppers. Now, we've had a few experiences and there are some full-on off-road, rough corrugated roads in Australia where this shower screen takes a beating. This shower screen being quite heavy on a trip to like Cape York or a trip out on some really rough roads, there is a second option. Sometimes we'll remove this screen and put up a curtain for those trips because this does take a beating. Now, taking it off isn't always needed. It can just survive on most of our tracks. But those long trips on corrugation, take it out, undo the screws, leave this at home. It's still a great shower, just like those endless glass showers that you might have in your apartment that will not have a curtain. Use it just like this with a bath mat. Put a shower screen if you really want to, but taking this off for the extreme trips is a great suggestion. They are an adjustable thing here, and this particular unit has snapped through the plastic, allowing this to drop off. Now, they put it aside or on the bed, but most of the time it's going to be okay. We are now going to replace these. Now, this could have just been a maintenance issue. Shower screen maintenance 101. The maintenance here is just making sure that these haven't rattled loose. So when you do it, if you can lift your shower screen and it wobbles like that on your trip or before your trip, go ahead and tighten this up before the trip, making sure that's secure if you know you're going on corrugated roads. All of a sudden, you are halfway through your trip, just check that you can't lift that up and down. If this has tension between locking the top roller and bottom roller in, it's gonna stay secure for your trip. That is our pro tips for your shower screen on the Kimberley Kruiser. Check out our other videos on maintenance and taking care of your off-road adventure caravans.